A very good morning, my dear children. In today's maths class, we are going to continue with the multiplication sums. Find the product. Number 10, find the product. So we are going to multiply. So E sum is, we are going to multiply 22 into 4. We are going to multiply the two numbers 22 into 4. Shall we multiply this? Yes. Now, what is the first step? So we are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by 4. First we are going to multiply the digit. Which digit is at the ones place? 2. So we are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by 4. First step is we are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by 4. So 2 4s are, think and tell me the answer. 2 4s are 8. So write down below the ones place. 2 4s are 8. Now second step is we are going to multiply the digit at the tens place by 4. So these two numbers, second step we are going to multiply these two. So first step is we are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by 4. So 2 4s are 8. And we are going to multiply the digit at the tens place by 4. Again 2 4s are, yes, 2 4s are 8. So you are going to write it below the tens place. So 22 into 4 is equal to 88. So what is the first step? 2 into 4. First multiply these two. 2 4s are 8. Write it below the ones place. Second step is multiply the digit at the tens place. So 2 is at the tens place, right? So we are going to multiply that by 4. So 2 4s are 8. So answer is 88. Understood, children? Shall we move on the next one? Yes, we are going to multiply 12 into 3. 12 into 3. So what is the first step? We are going to multiply the digit at the ones place. What is the digit at ones place? 2. So that we are going to multiply by 3. So these two we are going to multiply. 2 3s are, 2 into 3. 2 3s are, think and tell me the answer. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Now second step is we are going to multiply the digit at the tens place by this 3. 1 into 3. 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. So I'll repeat it one more time. So first we are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by 3. 2 3s are 6, right below the ones place. So second step is multiply the digit at the tens place. So what digit we are having at the tens place now? 1, right? So that we are going to multiply it by 3. 1 into 3, 3. So answer is 36. 12 3s are 36. Shall we move on to the next one? G sum. We are going to multiply 20 by 4. 20 into 4. So how to do this? So what is the first step? So first we are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by this 4, right? So 0 into 4. If you multiply any number by 0, the answer is, yes, 0, right below the ones place. 0 into 4 is 0. Next we are going to multiply the digit at the tens place. What digit we are having at the tens place now? 2, right? So 2 we are going to multiply. 2 into 4. 2 into 4. 2 4s are, 2 4s are 8. Write down 8. So 20 into 4. When you multiply 20 into 4, the answer is 80. I'll repeat it one more time. First you are going to multiply this 0 into 4. Answer is 0. Second step is you are going to multiply this 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. Understood, children? So for H sum, we are going to multiply 41 into 2. We are going to multiply 41 by 2. So what is the first step? So these two we are going to multiply, right? Going to multiply the digit at the ones place. Take this number, digit at the ones place. What digit we are having? 1, that we are going to multiply by 2. 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2. Now we are going to multiply the digit at the tens place by this 2. So 4 twos are 8. So the answer is 82. 41 into 2 is 82. 1 twos are, first multiply these two. 1 twos are 2. Write it below the ones place. Now move on to the tens place. What digit we are having? 4. So 4 twos are 8. Write it below the tens place. So answer is 82. Next, multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Till now we saw the multiplication of a 2-digit number, right? Now we are going to see the multiplication of 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. How to do this? Same way. Example, 431 into 2. So this is the horizontal method. Usually we'll do only the vertical method. Just we'll see one example. So what is the first step? Horizontal method. First we are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by 2. What we are going to do is take this number 431. So we are going to multiply the digit at the ones place. What digit we are having at the ones place now? 1. So 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 2, 2. What is the first step? So 431 into 2. First we are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by 2. 1 into 2, 2. Now second step, multiply the digit at the tens place by this 2. Same. 3 twos are 3 into 2. 3 twos are 6. So 3 twos are 6. Now move on to the hundreds place. Multiply the digit at the hundreds place by this 2. 4 into 2. 4 twos are 8. So write the answer. So this is hundreds place, right? So start from this 862. Answer is 800. So 2 ones are 2. This is ones place. 2 threes are 6. Tens place. So 4 twos are 8. So the answer is 862. I'll repeat it one more time. 431 into 2. First multiply the digit at the ones place by 2. So 1 twos are 2 right at the last. That is ones place. Then tens place. So multiply the digit at the tens place by 2. 3 twos are 6. Then multiply the digit at the hundreds place by 2. 4 twos are 8. Right in the hundreds place. So the answer is 862. This is horizontal method of multiplication. Now we'll see how to multiply a 3-digit number by a single digit number. Vertical method of multiplication. Same way. So now what is the first step? We are going to multiply 431 into 2. Right. So same way. First we are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by 2. So 1 into 2. First take this ones place. So multiply that by this number 2. 1 twos are 2. Write it down. 1 twos are 2. Now second step, multiply the digit at the tens place by 2. 3 twos are 6. Where you will write? In the tens place. So this is tens place, right? So 3 twos are 6. Now what is the third step? Multiply the digit at the hundreds place by the same number 2. So the third step is 4 into 2. So third step 1 is 1 into 2. 1 twos are 2. Write it below. Second step 3 into 2. 3 twos are 6. Write it below the tens place. Now 4 twos are 4 into 2. 4 twos are 8. So 4 into 2, 8. Write below the hundreds place. What is the meaning? 400 into 2. This is in hundreds place, right? 400 into 2. Meaning is, so we are going to write the answer in the hundreds place. So what is the answer? 862. So you know how to multiply by vertical method of multiplication, right? So I'll repeat it one more time. First, multiply these two. 1 twos are 1 into 2, 2. So second step, take the digit at the tens place, multiply by 2. 3 twos are 6. Now these two. 4 twos are 8. So the answer is 862. Shall we do the sums now? Now we are going to multiply 11th one. Find the product. A. We are going to multiply 321 into 3. We are going to multiply the two numbers. 321 is a 3-digit number, right? And we are going to multiply it by 3. So what is the first step? So take the digit at the ones place. So multiply it by 3. So first step is we are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by 3. So first 1 into 3. What is 1 into 3? 1 3 is a 3. Where will you write? Below the ones place. 1 3 is a 3. That is the first step. So what is the second step? We are going to multiply the digit at the tens place by 3. The same 3. So 2 into 3. 2 3 is a, what is the meaning? 2 tens into 3, right? So 2 3 is a 6 tens, right? 2 3 is a 6 tens. So where will you write the answer? 2 3 is a 6. That is in tens place. So write 2 3 is a 6. Now what is the third step? Multiply the digit at the hundreds place by this 3. So 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9. 9 hundreds. 3 hundreds into 3. 900. So 3 3 is a 9. So the answer is 963. I'll repeat it one more time. 1 into 3. What is the first step? 1 into 3, 3. Now then 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 3, 9. So 1 3 is a 3. 3 2s are 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Understood, children? So you know how to multiply a 3-digit number by a single digit number, right? So we'll see next sum. We're going to multiply 130 into 2. We're going to multiply 130 into 2. So same way, first we're going to multiply the digit at the ones place by 2. So now tell me 0 into 2, what is the answer? 0 into 2. When you multiply a number by 0, the answer is 0. So write down 0 below the ones place. Next, what is the second step? We're going to multiply the digit at the tens place by this 2. 3 into 2. 3 2s are? 3 2s are? Think and tell me the answer. 3 tens into 2. 3 2s are? 6. So where will you write? 6 tens, right? So 6. 3 2s are? 6. Now third step. We're going to multiply the digit at the hundreds place by 2. 1 into 2. 1 2s are? 1 2s are? 2. 1 2s are 2. So the answer is 260. So you know how to multiply, right? So first step 0 into 2. 0. 3 into next step. 3 2s are 6. 1 2s are 2. So the answer is 260. Now let's move on to the next sum. C sum. We are going to multiply 101 by 6. 101 into 6. So we are going to multiply 3-digit number 101 by 6 by the single digit number 6. Shall we multiply now? Now you are going to tell me what is the first step. First, take the digit at the number at the ones place. What digit we are having at the ones place now? 1. So 1 into 6. 1 6 are 6. You have to know the tables. Learn the tables. 1 6 are 6. Write down 1 6 are 6. Now let's move on to the tens place. So next we are going to multiply the digit at the tens place by 6. 0 into 6. Now tell me what is the answer when you multiply any number by 0. What will be the answer? 0 into 6. 0. Now what is the third step? Multiply the digit at the hundreds place by 6. So 1 into 6. What digit we are having? So 1 into 6. 1 6 are? 1 6 are 6. What is the meaning? 100 into 6. So you are going to write the answer in the hundreds place. So 606. When you multiply 101 into 6, the answer is 606. Now 1 6 are? So first step 1 6 are 6. Second step 0 into 6. 0. Third step 1 6 are 6. So the answer is 606. Now D sum. We are going to multiply 231 into 3. We are going to multiply the 3-digit number 231 by 3. How to do this? So where will you start? So we are going to start with the digit at the ones place, right? So we are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by this number, below number. What number we are having? 3, right? So this, both numbers we are going to multiply. 1 into 3. 1 into 3. You know, one table, right? 1 3s are 3. Write it down. 1 3s are 3. Now let's move on to the tens place. Multiply this, the digit at the tens place by this number 3 now. Now second step is 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 3 3s are 9. Write it below the tens place. 3 3s are 9. Now we are going to third step. We are going to multiply the digit at the hundreds place by this number 3. 2 3s are 6. So answer is 693. I'll repeat it one more time. First one is 1 into 3. 3. 3 3s are, second step, 3 3s are 9. Then 2 3s are 6. Shall we move on to the next one? E sum. We are going to multiply 434 into 2. We are going to multiply the number 434 by 2. So what is the first step? Now we are going to take this number. So we are going to multiply this number 4 by 2. 4 into 2. We are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by this number 2. So 4 2s are 4 2s are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Write it below the ones place. 4 2s are 8. Now second step, we are going to multiply the digit at the ones place. What digit we are having at the tens place? Sorry, tens place 3. That we are going to multiply this number by 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Now third step, we are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by 2. 4 2s are 8. So the answer is, when you multiply 434 into 2, the answer is 868. So we'll see one more time. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. Next, multiplication by carrying over. Till now we have we didn't carry over anything, right? We'll see how to multiply a number by carrying over. I'll give you an example. Next class we'll see the sums now. So first sum, we are going to multiply 38 into 2. We are going to multiply 38 into 2. So what is the first step? Same way. So first we are going to take the number just. So what is the number digit at the ones place now? So 8. So first step is we are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by 2. Same method only. So 8 2s are. Now tell me what is the answer for 8 2s are. 8 2s are, you know 8 table, right? 8 2s are 2 8s are also. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. It's a 2-digit number, isn't it? This is ones place, this is tens place, but it's a 2-digit number. So this is ones place. So what number you will write here? This ones place, this number alone you are going to write it here 6, and this one you are going to carry it to the tens place. So 8 2s are is 16. What is 8 2s are? 8. What is the first step? We are going to multiply these two. 8 2s are is 16. So this is ones place. So we are going to write only. So write 6 alone here. This one is carried over to the tens place. Clear? Now what is the second step? We are going to multiply the digit at the tens place. We are going to multiply the digit at the tens place by this number 2. 3 2s are. What is 3 2s are? 3 2s are 6. And after this, don't forget to add this carry over. 6 plus 1 Don't forget to add the carry over or else the entire sum will go wrong. Okay. So now 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7, right? So 6 plus 1, 7. Write it down. 38 into 2, 76. I'll repeat it one more time. Multiplication by carry over method. So first step, same way, 8 2s are is 16. It is a 2-digit number, right? So I'm writing only the ones place here. So 6. This one I'm carrying it over to the tens place. 8 2s are 16. So write 6 here and 1 will be carried over. Now second step, multiply these two. 3 2s are 6. Don't forget to add the carry over. What is the carry over now? 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So when you multiply 38 into 2, the answer is 76. So this is the carry over method. Remaining sums, sums we'll do in the next class. So practice well all the sums. See you in the next class, children. Thank you.